All right, hey, welcome to the IMS 2026 here in Boston. I want to talk to you a little bit about WAVEPIA. WAVEPIA was founded in 2014 by Dr. Sanghun Lee. And what we do at WAVEPIA is we are die-level designers of GaN on silicon carbide. We do MMICs, we do GaAs, LNAs, and we do CMOS, okay? As we start walking down, I'd like to introduce you to some of our newest products that we are coming out with. This year at the IMS show, we're super excited to be launching our entire line of Beamformer ICs. These are CMOS-based. We have true time delay and we have phase shift, single channel and 4 channel. So this is one of the hot products that we're coming out with at this year's show. As we keep walking down the path a little bit, I'm going to take you on a little journey. So here we have all of our various different packaging styles that we have, okay? So we have from discretes through MFETs and MMICs, and all of the various different packages in which they come in. Here. Then we have a line of broadband MMIC PAs that span everywhere from 2 to 9. We have 6 to 18. We've got 6 to 12. All broadband, all MMICs. 50 ohms in, 50 ohms out. Okay. Now, as we start moving a little bit further down the path, okay, we have our S-band portfolio. We have some very high power S-band portfolios in here, broken up into various different bands. We cover the 2 to 4 band, but some of our highest and our newest power parts, we've come up to 250 watts in the S-band. Okay, MMICs, gallium nitride. Okay, as we start working our way up, we're at the C bands right now. So we have an entire C band portfolio, 7 to 9, and in here 5 to 7. We have some 7 to 9s at 240 watts is our newest product that we're releasing at the show this year. And we also have over here a 5 to 7, 240 watt MMIC. Outstanding products, great efficiency, outstanding gain. Then as we move on down the path, we have X-band. One of our new products we have coming out right now, just at the show this year, we are releasing an 8 to 11 200 watt MMIC. Okay, all of our parts come in either package or bare die. So if you see something in a package but you'd prefer it in a bare die, we certainly offer that to you. We start moving our way down to SATCOM products. We cover all the bands in the SATCOM, uplinks, downlinks. So here are some of our new ones, our low noise amplifiers. This one here is from 10 to 15 gig LNA. It's got an IMD of 54.4 and it has a gain of 23.9. It is a 3-stage amplifier. We've got them from 13 to 15, 14 to 17, 27 to 31, 27 to 32, and 27 to 32, 10 and 20 watt units. Okay. As we move on down a little bit further down the path, as you can see here, we have front end modules. Okay. Now the front end modules are customizable because we do all of our manufacturing in-house. Okay. The only thing that we do not do at WAVEPIA is foundry services. We design the bare die, then we go off to our foundries. We receive the wafers back from the foundries, and we do the rest of the process internal to the house. What that enables us to do is have the flexibility within, like say this front end module right here, okay? I've got a GaN single pole double throw switch, I've got an LNA, I also have an amplifier in here. But if the customer desires, I can have a single pole double throw switch, I could put an amplifier in there, but I could also put a phase shifter or a circulator in there. So they're very customizable. One of the other key things that we do at WAVEPIA is that we have the ability to put these together, but it is a completely automated process. So once we set up the line, we're able to mass produce these without any human interaction whatsoever. Therefore, it increases the reliability as well as the consistency in the product in which we put out. We move down here a little bit further. Here's a 15 to 17 gigahertz GaN device. This one is putting out 50 watts of power. It is a 3-stage. Now if we move over here, here's something new that we've been coming into. And what we're doing is we're taking and we're building small pallet amplifiers. So this is our device, and as you can see here, this is all manufactured inside our house, okay? We have an input, we have an output, and as you'll notice on the back, this is waveguide. So this is something that we're really getting really good at, and like I said, all of this is done in-house, and with the exception of putting in the screws, everything is done fully automated in our process. One other thing to note while we're talking about the assembly process, we have a void-free die attach process. We use a vacuum encapsulator, and when we put this down and we do the eutectic die bond on here, okay, we are coming up with more than 99.8% void-free. So outstanding thermal considerations, outstanding thermal performance. This is an outstanding device right here. As we move around the corner, you'll see we start getting up higher in frequency. Now we're into the Ka band. Here's your 32 to 37 25 watt device. This will put out a little bit more than 25 watts, but you know, we like to, as I like to say, we like to undercommit and over-deliver. And that's what we do at WAVEPIA. Okay? So this is an outstanding device. And then over here we have a 32 to 37 10 watt device, which can be used in many different applications and configurations. But as you see, WAVEPIA is growing. We're growing exponentially. And as I just also say, we are going higher and to the right. We're coming out with higher frequency products. We're coming out with higher power products. And we look forward to having a discussion with you. So thank you very much.